The most common form of an equation that you'll be needing to factorize is quadratics, what we would call a quadratic, what our American friends would call a trinomial, probably because there are three terms there. So anything in the form something squared plus something times that same thing plus some constant, we're going to treat that as a quadratic. It doesn't have to be x, it could be a, it could be z, it could be w, it doesn't matter. We want it in the form x. I made a bit of a hash of that, of those brackets. Okay, we want to turn that into some form. Now, because it has an x squared, I'm going to set it up and I'm going to give you a little starter. It's going to end up something like that: x plus minus something, and then the other brackets x plus minus something. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to find two numbers that add to give us that plus 7 and multiply to give us plus 10. So what are the factors of 10? Well, 10 times 1, we know that's 10. And again, the order doesn't matter. 5 times 2, we know that equals 10. Are those the only ones? And the answer is no. Don't forget the negatives. Negative 5 times negative 2 also equals 10. And negative 10 times negative 1 also equals positive 10. Remember, a negative number times a negative number gives us a positive number. So of these, which one adds to give us positive 7? Well, 10 plus 1 is 11, so it's not that. 5 plus 2, that does equal 7, so that's our best case going forward. But let's just check. Minus 5 minus 2 equals negative 7, so it's not that. And negative 1, negative 10, negative 1 equals negative 11, so it's not that. So our winner in this case is this combination. And now we're going to do a bit of a trick. We're just going to cut and paste the 5 and the 2 into this bracket. I'm going to put the plus 5 there, and I'm going to put the plus 2 there. And we're done. Let's test it. Let's test it. So, I don't want to paste anything, and I don't want to move my screen around too much. So x plus 5 and x plus 2. I'll just rewrite it so I've got lots of space. Okay, the x times the x is x squared. That one's done. The plus 5 times the x, that equals plus 5x. And now that one is done. Now we have the x times the 2, and that's 2x, and the 5 times the 2, the constants, add to 10. Let's simplify it a bit. X squared plus 7x plus 10. Plus 10. And if you look Sure enough, what we started with there is what we ended with there, so this must be the correct answer in this case. We're going to do lots and lots and lots of these examples. They are really, really important before we start adding numbers in front of that x squared term, because there's a few extra steps that we need to do.